Hello boaters, welcome to Narrowboat Journeys. My name's Phil and today I'm on the Trent Mersey Canal at Armitage and I'm just setting off fairly early morning because the weather forecast for today is supposed to get very windy, so I need to move early and hopefully avoid the wind. And I'm going as far as near Kings Bromley Marina. It's just a few miles and on the way we'll be going through Handsacre. In the past, you may remember having seen toilets and wash basins with the words Armitage Shanks written on it, and they were made here in this big factory, and they still do. I don't know if they're still called Armitage Shanks, but the factories are still going, very well. This is quite a busy railway line normally, but this was recorded on a Sunday morning, quite early at that, so that's why it's so quiet. I didn't see any trains this time. This is Handsacre, and the best moorings are the visitor moorings on the other side of Bridge 58 here. There's quite a long stretch of moorings, but it does get busy. There's a pub immediately to the right, and a little bit further to the right I believe there's a very good fish and chip shop. It's always sad to see sunken boats. I think this one's been here for quite a long time. This is a lovely place to moor up, but it always seems to be windy here, and usually the wind is blowing boats towards the towpath, so it's far from ideal, but it's such a lovely spot otherwise. I think this chap was having engine problems. As you can see, after bridge 55 here is a really nice little mooring spot, but be warned, there's nothing much around here. It's a long way from any shops, but it's a good place to stop if it's really hot, because in the summer these trees give you quite a bit of shade. However, at this time of year I'm not looking for shade. I know a little sunny spot just beyond this point, so I'm going to stop there. Hopefully there won't be any boats there. And this is that sunny spot. It's more or less underneath the electricity pylons, but it's a good place anyway. Just up ahead on the right is Kings Bromley Marina, and this is where I like to stop. So I think this will do for today. It has been getting quite windy, so stay tuned for the cats. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Will do.
Oh, it's time to let the cats out. They've been shut in far too long. First one out is Bushka, closely followed by Midge. Come on boys, out you come. There's lots to see and do.